Yeah. Makwaba Eba Nkutu channel. And now you can watch me on Loud Silent TV. Ebeda obiase awaba so. Ebeda obiase. Then you see we the youth, the contemporary Ghanaian youth, will make sure we mount pressure on our leaders to do the right things, the needful things. We'll continue to mount massive pressure on them. Say, mainstream media na your man say, correct the rot in the system. Some of us are here to speak truth to power. Pressure, and they will not have any other option to do the right thing. Ebema Ghana, Afan into my pa Efra. Yenina who the course State House no. President Bemano State of the Nation address. I try short can sooner. Minia State of the Nation address no. Is to give us the current situation in our mind, woman, and yet dear or mind be that. That is why some of us we keep telling the youth, say we should always get involved in politics so that we will always know what is happening in our dear country called Ghana. Say one for what anyone who are in the politics next year. And Kofono I from politicians or more Ghana no. Especially partner or Tia Bemu and Neno or Bekosuya the Ye Hanam at the Aman. Minia and what's a kind of crest at the say and paying for no. And what's a kind of crepa at the say and paying for no. And Tissa, you be a doc no qua. The State of the Nation address, death to GDP, no, one can want them. Obaya, Obeji, Akunyani Free Mahama Hodie. The Munimi Yepansa Mo say Nipadin, and a Mahama Boka Siago, and a Mahama previous government now say, NYSA. Minia, one who say a true emra or no pese. Ye pese omu akunta emfanche omano omo tutu papa so ye so de wano don rea e bi nwo se wo de wano edo enre a e bi enwo da se wo de wano do enre a e bi nwo da Mo amabaso no wa wo credit so a wontimi a wo fie no obetimi ahwe program live e wo Loud Silent TV multi TV channel e wo Ghana so it's streaming live enti no obetimi akoho no akwa bi mo so amo online no you follow this page, follow the page, you click on the notification bell anytime you go in live we go live with you. Minia, me say, the leaders of our country, they don't know the generation they are dealing with. Because the almost generation, you know, na internet anyhow, Facebook anyhow, WhatsApp, Twitter, Periscope, all the plethora of social media platforms, none in any hole. And so much me mantle. Pressure, starting from our former president, the first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, ebo injure se broni pressure man. Oye, dena pese obeye. omo bo injection broni sa pressure ewo emma ye di pa ahudie na ye ya ba ye wo social media platforms we say so bebre ebu mom pese ye be kan ye be fight for our mother country. Oh, and the yes, more about men, the moti. And I'm the kind of so what joining Loud Silent TV, our multitask a friend say TV, our Ghana, multi channel, no, and I say multi TV channel, no, Oscania, you get the Loud Silent TV. Now, watch a maybe a honey the information na enso from no ye de bebrel on Loud Silent TV no we will give you the ipso facto the unadulterated truth and no no the mainstream media no omon country no ye de bebrel I say we are going to defy all odds. We are going to set the record straight, going to change the paradigm. We are going to change the paradigm by challenging the status quo. Sa empanyinfo bi a oman ho do afri omumu a ye sorry a ye kodi line so etu abadima omo no. It is about time we the youth we started checking their activities. Minianom State of the Nation address. Eye emprempren Ghana empunto be nienya amane be nya kom ubeka agenda 111 meaning ubesi 111 hospitals na yebusa se afi atwam no ubese Ghana wo box say saa de no odi afi ba akopɛ ene bɛyɛ eduwa e wo so betre say waye anase onye ya o san tu aseda politicians especially omo yenya omo Africa and Ghana to be precise no omo adwen say tem bia no omo ye smart. They always want to give you hope. They postpone everything and push it into the future. There was oyen ne emma emebru en wo Ghana enya fa awudie no there be always in the future. Future tense and Ghana politicians there. Always future tense and Ghana politicians are there. They intentionally relate their duty. Omo adwuma yentia ya to abade yi omo say omo ma oman no ehu ento omo no oman ma ne de emfa omo ho se omo botum bebo be na entima abekoso abedi Ghana so aye friend no the state capturing agenda. And yet, it is not today. They started way long time ago. And they are good at destroying their predecessors if they find out or whenever they find out that you are not part of their group. Munina manini abeto bibi a friend a champion na yadi afu a champion, that is our former president, a military head of state, Ignatius Kutu a champion. The same and besmitting character assassination and normally your former head of state your friend Ignatius Kutu a champion say obey for our two bedroom God simply because of topple the Buzia government. Or topple Buzia government. I would say Enra no State of the Nation address the president can say you will see what the NPP government is doing. That is the answer. That is their answer. Propaganda. Na almost say obedient. Di Kwame Nkrumah. Destroy Kwame Nkrumah. Or you can't kanyame. Meanwhile, no adiano enye can't kanyame o. Obi ne busa Kwame Nkrumah se Kwame. What jimu do? Na hefa na wunya wa ho odi ni unim die no. E di ye nneoma akese no. Nyame ben na osom no Kwame. Na mu na mama mu refi se Kwame Nkrumah ko university o ye PhD na o ye in theology. University, Lincoln University of Pennsylvania. Nipa no busa no say me nsum nyame no a obroni di na se Bible mu no me sum kane nyankopon a na obo ye nananom ho ban ono ne ma me saa ahoden eni tumi no a metumi di ye de me de ye no eno enomo distorte no eye no kankan nyame. Similar thing no me de ye tampon. A tampon ni obi a oba ya Nkrumah nyoma na obeye ye no because after Nkrumah no na series of coups we ba na okọ ena Kofi Abreba Buzia nyame na meka o Ghana history nim say omo ana omo tata Nkrumah so omo pese omo assassinate no the NLM no National Liberation Movement for no na oka ho oni Emmanuel Obetebi and almost saying Nkrumah government so benya afunya no definitely ubenya obi nso a ono so do Nkrumah system no ebi ni Ignatius Kutu Echampong obe ono so be ye ku na onim on say the orchestra kan no ano be wu mo orchestrate ye mo planning the conspiracy to topple Nkrumah's government no Kofi Abreba Buzia enso be di ade sa ku na ye di tu Nkrumah no enu bia na ye di tu Kofi Abreba Buzia Nkrumah nya intel say ye be ye ku atu no Kofi Abreba Buzia so on October ono ani home region e Blue region Sunyan na Orma speech and oye campaign platform so that is the Progress Party no di be deep president no and all can say amanfo bia ye o ma dwen se o mpese o ye kutia no na it's better say citizens no emumu be dey ebe decide say o mu tu no dan say obi be dey anaso gani bi be so oba betu no on say de bia no o mu ya de boni a o mu ahu so o mu ya de boni enti obi won ntan a on so ba betu no. And men don't be surprised say enkofo bi di omo WhatsApp enkomo a nanado free omo ka say wa tapu into police ni bi agozo say oni doctor bi ni apaso omo be ye cool de tu no omo they are good at orchestrating certain enti no etitwa mini bia no osuro ayada a tampon betu no and a tampon ebedi ade on the 13th January 1972 and a tampon bedi ade some few months later and a Kwame Nkrumah wuye 27 April 1972 na Kwame Nkrumah wuye and a tampon oda ema ye de Kwame Nkrumah a dead body ni bae a tampon eba ya ni ya ye Komfo-Anokye teaching friends Komfo-Anokye hospital no then it was Kumasi Central Hospital at some point they be converting into a teaching hospital and was started the OC baby and mother unit dina ye dey see wa be sin na and ye see just say ye buni nyina gu fom no Minia, and so almost say a tampon. As I said, and nay a modern time, no, almost say Mahama no. And it's a Mahama go through all these things. Now, Obi Timbeka se KJT and Chris, you honor no, and ya Mahama ne ye. Don't be shocked. Kwame Nkrumah see akosomo dam no. These people say na a master planner at that abrofono a table. So why didn't they do it? The question I'm asking is, if it was on your table, why didn't you do it? The credit and everything must go to the person who implemented. But Omoboa, they are good at dismissing people's hard-earned reputation. And he say, "Omo ye papa no. Don't forget, say these same people and Omo kati a champion say, "Wow, to better go or Sisa Ghana esika edema ema." Let's go into Ghana's archives and find out, say a champ bunya bedi apnyam a dear bad airport in Oyema Ghana, and let's compare. A champion bedi adieno or Yema Ghana. You go to Navrongo, Tono Dam, one of the biggest dam in Ghana, and no for a friend say irrigation purposes. You be dam now, a specific community, a supply water, echo about 22 communities. Ewo Navrongo ho, Chuchuluganen in Kurase, Omodu Domo. The last time I visited the place, no, not Samuel Oposu Ampofu, the now chairman of the NDC, no, or no, wako rehabilitate a portion of the rice milling center na a war dam no hona e de domo no. And now we renovated portion baby no mo di die dey. As we speak, okwo ho no sisi ana. E wo ho. A tampon na ye tono dam. A tampon a Ghana, the biggest estate. At the time I was see, it was the biggest in West Africa. Dansuma. And Kuma dia was starting, Osu Airport Residential Area, Patasi Estate, no. Omutu no, omu dining in a tampon, and the be completely man. And so, yes, say a tampon, because it has always been this particular government, no. Agenda to destroy people's hard-earned reputation. Tell us the state in which Ghana is in now. You could not tell us. You were telling us what the state will be in the future. So sometimes I sit back. Whenever I see that they are trying to destroy every meaningful thing John Dramani Mahama did, I say, hey, and for into almost subai kakrampo. Almost subai kakra. A tampon after the time I know will not of 47 years. And Kuma Bedi Adiana now of 47 years. Look at that age bracket, no. Diena omuye magana. Nessa dia enkokura foni bedi oman so no. Omuye oman no. Minia, we the youth, we have come this dispensation to check, to give keen interest to whatever our leaders are doing. Japan is still around the corner. Senyesa anka emma me first state of the nation address. Japan, was it something you were able to do? If you were not able to do, tell us the state. They are now going to sit down to prepare. Me say omunya 2 members of parliament say number. Every NDC for the NSWA, and these people will not be here talking about a consensus building and national unity. Emmanuel Dompré, Ayare, Ibrahim Abbas, Rita Otu, any Omo Mokika, Omewu, a return time, simply because Obi Peso Dia. And I refer your mother honor say you are the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. So it means that so Jafoko Din Semunubia or Bebia or Ghana. You are the first person that also your intel. So the president is aware of what happened at Techiman South. Because you are the commander-in-chief. If you don't command, no actions are taken. Meaning, we will say it as it is. And yet mainstream media, no, they try to garnish, embellish certain things. No, we will not come here to insult you, but we will speak truth to power. The very things you have to do so that that common youth, or the streets of Accra, Kumasi, Safari, Sunyai, Tamalino, Omenya freedom. It is freedom for our people, freedom for the youth. That is why we are here. We are not here to amass wealth. Sikano, miwu ayem fan kame ho. Sikano, edan bi a mesi bia miwu a meja no ha. Mi Nyankopon hira me na me wo na me dija me ba. Wa anwo a, waku obi kwa e de akwa akofo ajapade. Anka wo say ye last thing na nipa be ye say o petumi ade a o petumi de akwa akoto Lincoln Navigator and na say V8 adem. Metal that can rap. Any a nipa wo top mo betumi arasi ababe rescue no. You don't see to the welfare of the youth, no, but you see to it that you get enough wealth, you amass wealth, unsubstantiated wealth, so that state captain agenda no, is still on course. What do you say? You talk about nation building, national unity, consensus building. But as we speak, did you build any kind of consensus with the people of the South? At the time you decided to disenfranchise them, did you call them and did you discuss anything with them? Some few hours to the election, you sent information to the people that you will be able to vote only in the MP election, but in the presidential election, but not the MP election. Sana building consensus. Sana a unified nation. Destroying people's hard-earned reputation. Obiya there. Give the credit no for money panel. For credit no money panel. So that in your absence, when you have finished your work and you are gone, some people will also come and give you your due. Moya dia enya, you guys don't want us to talk about it. But John Dramani Mahama there, because already no one said he said, now or you die fluent, you know, Upia can you pay HM. And next table not turning, and near one na John Dramani Mahama, yeah, na ye bonnet say enyeno, and ne a coso 10-20 folds. You guys don't want to talk about it. And now, and your man now will read you up. A state house, you know, see the way now are no people. Destroying people's reputation is what you guys know. No, you know best. You can do best. So we'll say will be Dean Papano Obon say, then the future generation ni beba no. Oma be sister president bi baya na or discuss to daima amanfo Italy go meanwhile enye true. The numerous worker Ignatius Kutu Acheampong eye de man or my Kronkron Ghana no. Before stands nowhere near the Ignatius Kutu Acheampong eye de man Ghana. As you about Snake Flat, go and see the massive buildings I was see. It was the kind courtesy, the hard work of Ignatius Kutu Acheampong. Water, it was Ignatius Kutu Acheampong. And a host of others. Another time, Ghana became self-reliant in terms of food production. Ni period ni term no eno no president ujina ho dishonesty who can trust the Ghana for say we are not importing me countless number of times and makwa kujina paga border no eho a amount for the tomato edi free Burkina every Ghana can never export friends tomato to the people of Burkina Faso. Also, a phone omuni yesin. A phone omuni yesin. Minia say ye can enyoma enkophobia ba beye na enkophobia nso adwuma omuni yense oye wadwuma no wie na oba no be take over. No wakata ho de nso ono a onye bi ono a onye bi okata ho de nso na o sa say udin me metna mampon I saw how na ensuo hu asem eye din e wo mampon and John Dramani Mahama any John Atamils fixes that problem no. John Atamils envy no. Ujaima Mahama I deal with the leaders. Because political parties no obia bet mean a bad nut, obia bet mean a good nut. But the arrowhead no on the most important thing. The arrowhead no on the most important thing. Me say said Domlovo a Mahama time and ye didn't first half my wiswa and Kagana Yanki Asubebu. Kagana Asubebu say pain a comedy Domlovo Afaso. State of the Nation address no LGBT Q11 Abba you could not address us on. A besin ne, and for president wo, or for no who we ever techiman on no. A besin ne, and fun because the track record no, Obimba Ebimu Mayrai, ever takrade. Obiba Yai, ever takrade and cry beautiful girls. As we speak, no, ya show more and Minia, the Debiami be master can. The Catholic youth say the youth of today, no, we should be and we must, in fact, we must be politically conscious. Your political consciousness, no, are weak to the sense, and my me leader or ye at the path. Boy, any leader or ye at the bonnie. So political consciousness no weaker. These are some of the things ever. Youth no, we should desist from spending our energy, our time, our little meager resources on my bet. My bet. and Champions League. Okay? Hwehwɛ ɔman Ghana yi edie ne fa ho die kane na de aka nyinaa no ye de bɛsɔ so. Make sure say ɔman Ghana no at good state mu. So my Ghana at good state mu a good leaders are and no mu be proper regulations, proper laws, proper infrastructure. And the man who youth and ye ma ye be wo that. Yes now Emma Champions League, UEFA Champions League, ye debt. Two matter. Ye beti ye no na few youth omekwa akodi ye mpanyimfo no eti no na omo amass work na anka wo se nka omo de ye wo kwan no na abedi obi botom. Minia ye ni abre this time round. So we youth always make sure say political consciousness revolution na eba no you follow it. Yen change ya adwen no ni yen fan hye nneoma mu de yen penfo no eye wo man ni mu no. Uwie school so nse wunya adwuma nye. Uwie school wunya adwuma nye. Obi se NAPCO no they have to question it. Say NAPCO no what is the sustainability? How sustainable that NAPCO no eye. Obi see hospitals. Obi see schools. Ba permanent job no. We did not take time to analyze what the guy was doing. Because we see Mahama time na adwuma ni ho. Na o see Kotoka or yeah expansive work for Kotoka no. Enye nipa na ye de omo ye adwuma. Now OCE E-block, even the 46 now completely answer no fear no. And yet Ghana members, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, masons, architects, draftsmen, any Oma a friend say Oma Mkika home. And yet Omo and ye far no me man. Was it not also job creation in Libya? And we didn't yet job creation in Libya. Dunia, Mama Yanina ho. Na Yesusu. And ye yadin said, Obi yadia. Na ye tie Udian ten ekasano. And no na abo Ghana from ebesin net. Omo ana Kwame Nkrumah esisi oman na omo tumfutu ba park no. Omo tumfutu ba park. Enso ye hu ade bi omo nya kwan bi oman so omo ye. Na Akufo Addo ka tire ye no ase se ye bie ye ni a ye behu nneoma a omo ye. Kofi Abrefa buzi at time ye ma ye ye ekutu ni se o devalue Ghana cedi no. Ghana sika no o devalue no. The policies near the no na amount form wash. Or no na sema na all catch Ghana for then ni say Ghana for the woman to form na almost send your man na your money kwan within 5 years no. If omo de bia yem for ye to form but obi ye dia omo pese ye ni beto form. De bia no omo pese whenever they are ruling we should give them the ample time for them to do whatever thing they feel like doing. But obi the no, you dare not. You dare not. Minia, we say, make sure, so we are new on this platform, you follow this page in Koto. You can also watch us on Loud Silent TV or Multi TV Ghana no say unyai unhunu or Multi TV no channels ni so you do what you rescan it you definitely get it. So unyaya obetumi consult obi a onim system ne set no obeboa wo na wa set system na ma wo na won so wa share the political consciousness ye pese ye mani wura youth ni trim no e wo Loud Silent TV ene friends enkoto page no obetumi follow us on Instagram ne so eno enkoto 101 YouTube ne so ye enkoto 101 Twitter enkoto 101. Can you say anytime you're going live, you get the feed in Ghana on Loud Silent TV. Loud Silent TV. You better omwase say omama akwenya no. Na ye nyina ye bua na Ghana afa ne ntuma paifra. Enye se ye kasa because Akufo-Addo no power o. Say Akufo-Addo te power. Na oye the right things ebema minua no or what say we are contemplating what on. Why should I come and sit in front of the camera and besmirch our leader in such an uncouth way? The awful Diano aye papa no e wo se eboa no but the awful Diano e bia boni a ye ma onfo no ase no no abeti abehwe pom abipra ye be sano boko. You see, yes, Loud Silent TV. And when you did the ipso factos, the unadulterated truth and news, no, air cost for Ghana, no. That's where we'll feed you in. And how any do the answer from no ebebro. Minia, we are Utah. Let it be your responsibility. Get up. E was sanim na papa ne tro ya ansa na owu no. Arise, Ghana youth. Now the country Ghana demands our devotion, demands the devotion of every youth in the country. Yanhwe here, certain minute group befa or minor resources na omu de gu hama entrima na omu ntrima no abefa ya koso akọ enkwaso mu. Not forget, but do not forget that enkofo ya omu pese omu de ko ahohiehie mu no. Boni aye na omu yiye. Esan said, ebi mu free ebusua na emunye ene omu nya opportunity to change the life of that common boy in the streets of Accra. Streets of Kumasi, Takrade, but also on Chenisa system ni ma sa boy no emfa doctrines ni wo. Sa boy no emfa toilet roll. Kese wo wie university na just wo kugina kwan ho eto toilet roll na nanaba na moa enam kwan ho a ono no abepe adwuma di amount because ono de bia o TV so nti no or connections. Enkosi da base na nipa dodo say na nanaba na mo a ebefa sa kwan so de aboa wo mo. This way is the sole responsibility of our leaders. Yamaye leaders no ada nti omu dwuma die pote wo so omu didima oman no. Minianom, we will force them yempeu NDC any MPP and the war oman Ghana mu. Whichever party you belong to, it's not of my business. My business is that whether you are standing you stand for NPP or you stand for NDC, make sure say NDC no power or ya idea enya men na homa NPP for meka. The youth in NDC no must first of all get up and say it before the opposition party no enko for beba. whether we like it or not, no, sa party we mu na aba besi honom. Enti baby a wo join wo se bia no, make sure say sa ka bia ka no mu bia wo timu no, sa ka mienu no, NDC ka ne NPP ka no, emu bia wo timu bia no. Make sure say driver na o chika no, obechi ka ni ye. Esan say when chika ni ye a or the bekwa akohwe ho. The question me busa ede me nsem na bawie ne say enra ye president etimi kire ye e kan kasa Ghana de there be esan say odi for ho obo Mahama kwadu Mahama the best 52 billion o say and the can Ghana debt ho ene Akufo-Addo etwam over 100 and something billion. Mahama 50 something billion no. Na etimi bo port expansion tema. Na etimi bo cocoa roads. Na etimi bo a friend say e-blocks. Na etimi bo hospitals. Oh, na one thing is say utipuma city akra na wuntu kwan a. Sometimes no who die na ekoso Mahama time. Menya privilege eko wa so I saw wa strip no wa airstrip no the renovation I saw it. Wa strip no na wa sports stadium ni sa kwan na eko na dole ni so na eko na wa government hospital no the new one no na almost you know I saw it. We move from wa to Tamale. Eko fa Abujina constituency Damango. Na Fofosu Solar Road na John Mills estati ye no. Na omuguso baby na omu wie no. Na omu ye. Oti afie. Uko kumewu a uhu se dan so. Uko fom na uhu. Uko aferia uhu. Na Akufo-Addo over 100 and something. We getting to 200 billion no. Cities no. And here fa there be nyoma na odi aye eno a wo ka say yen say ye bie ye ni a ye behu aye Mahama ne kan ya anka magina no asibone Mahama make a statement say kuma say memfa gold enye mo kwan nti mu hu de me ya na nti keje tiasi ho no mu hu ye mo pese me di gold pick the word use the word in the context the president the then President Mahama use the words in the same way or you soon no must cut a portion say odidi asante hini atem enti enra no na nado ba ya obeka say ye bie ye ni a ade enra no na speaker any members of parliament no omote edan ni mu no na omoni afrefra na ana say na omoda enti na wo ka say omote omumie omani omubehu enioma omaye waye na waye bibi omani mu a this obi eko bie nani wide ansa no wahu minuanom emamu maye ntena ho ema nkofo wi emeyeye enadaye so mu gu Mahama ban ni fi na omu ka kire se Mahama asa na ye pia Mahama sinten a they should focus and do the work. Omu bo a wo ma wo wi aba wo di abedi aba akunya ni nyina no as say wasa ase edida ebi mu ase no eye Ghana for ye say nye obi sika obepedi agu ha ma na busia nti no yenkonye mfa sika nkotwitwa ye ho ye say eye ho de nyehwe wo so wadi a fa akunya no se oma ama maame no Jane Mensa ama meyi anu wo witness box ni mu na se Supreme Court no ased na wo de nyehwe na nado ye say ye de akunya no ye de ama fa do the work. That is the most important thing. Do the work. Get to work and do the work. Do the work. And no nyehwe no any ehwehwe what we win aba no you are doubting yourself so we win aba no ase we win what start ye na ase sorry ECPRO wa born ambassador to Denmark na minim say a body or share elections no it mean appointee bi na che say machinations na a course no na enkofo bi ye key members so what you Obama wa fine why not if not why not get to work and do the work. We did not give you power. We have mandated you. Send your Yusu West ni Rockcroft say, "Yani your power no." We have mandated you, and every mandate has a time frame within which you have to work. And after your actions, after your workings, you will come. The day of reckoning will come. The day of reckoning will come. When that day of reckoning comes, don't come and be beating about the bush. When the day of reckoning comes, make sure you present to us the things you did, not the things if you are given the chance, you will do. I didn't see her. It's here for near Shapo and Nintinia Mobile Finano. At the Yanko Poncha de Damasi. Monkoswana won't follow and put page, Now, Koswana share Loud Silence TV. A ho a hase na ye mawo after the undiluted history. A fa o my Ghana ho. Ahan ye bemu wahu the actual work that was the political leaders ye aha and the bemu wahu say who youth say oh my Ghana e wo asumdwe mu a e na wote asumdwe mu say oh my Ghana enya sika e na wotimi ye sports all those things a pleasure or my develop afan ntuma pa efre wie ya kan ho ye embatabata ho Yadamasi, Edobi Biasi, and I think Nkoma CEO and then the Go team of Loud Silence TV, and then with all due respect. Yadamasi, any Akwenya Kesia Modiama youth, we will make sure, say, no sooner than later, you will see about 80% of the Ghanaian youth becoming politically conscious, and it is out of political consciousness, then the country will see the light at the end of the tunnel. Bye-bye. We'll meet here same time tomorrow. God bless you. Bye-bye.